The Credit Report Showdown, Experian versus Transunion. Ever applied for a loan and been left scratching your head at the interest rate you received? Felt a pang of disappointment when your dream apartment application got rejected? Your credit score plays a huge role in these decisions, and lurking behind the scenes, influencing that score, are the big three credit bureaus, Experian, Transunion, and Equifax. But here's the thing, your credit score isn't just one number. Each bureau collects and analyzes your financial data slightly differently, leading to potential discrepancies. So, when it comes to these credit giants, is there a clear winner? Experian or Transunion? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the credit report ring and uncover the heavyweight champion of information. Round 1, Data Collection and Scoring Models. Let's start with the foundation, the data they collect. Both Experian and Transunion gather information like your payment history, credit utilization, how much credit you use compared to your limit, credit inquiries, and public records like bankruptcies. However, the specific details may differ. Experian might place a heavier emphasis on public records, while Transunion could weigh credit inquiries more heavily. This data gets fed into different scoring models. FICO, Fair Isaac Corporation, is the most widely used score, but both bureaus might offer their own variations with slightly different algorithms. This means your FICO score from Experian might not be identical to your FICO score from Transunion. Confusing, right? Round 2, Accessibility and User Experience. Now, imagine you're prepping for a big loan application and want to check your reports. Experian and Transunion both offer free annual reports through annualcreditreport.com. However, they also provide paid credit monitoring services that offer additional features like fraud alerts and score simulations. Experian boasts a user-friendly interface with easy navigation and clear explanations of your credit data. Transunion focuses on offering educational resources alongside credit monitoring, making it a good choice for those new to the credit game. Round 3, Monitoring and Dispute Resolution. Life happens, and sometimes errors creep onto your credit report. Both bureaus allow you to dispute inaccuracies online or by mail. Experian tends to be faster at processing disputes, but Transunion offers a more streamlined online system. The key takeaway? Don't hesitate to challenge any errors, as even a small mistake can significantly impact your score. The verdict, it's a draw. Here's the truth, there's no single winner in the Experian versus Transunion battle. Why? Because your specific situation dictates which bureau might be more important. Let's break it down. New to credit, if you're just starting your credit journey, Transunion might offer a more forgiving model and educational resources. Loan applications. Since lenders often use scores from all three bureaus, it's crucial to monitor reports across the board. Dispute resolution. Consider the urgency. Experian might be quicker, but Transunion might offer a more user-friendly online system. Here's the power move. Instead of picking a favorite, monitor your reports from both Experian and Transunion. This gives you a more complete picture of your credit health and allows you to identify discrepancies early on. Remember, a good credit score opens doors to lower interest rates, better loan terms, and even dream apartments. By understanding the differences between Experian and Transunion, you can take control of your financial future. That's the real win. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.